How do you balance between personalization and scalability?
Yeah, so one language that we use quite often in Flipkart is how do we hyper personalize learning? And one of the things that we do is as simple as I mentioned this in the start, is we look at a core objective. So in Flipkart, a lot of the employees are more outcome driven. So they find joy in solving a particular problem statement for the company, etc. So what ends up happening is learning. What we do is we actually do a deep study on what are some of the what is the problem that needs to be solved, right? Like what is the issue at hand and things like that. Or the other way to look at it is also what is going well and where do we need to go. Once we do a little bit of study on that, what we actually do is we are looking at it from a very broad-based level. When we look at broad-based, we design a program broad-based. What then we do is we create spaces within the program where participants share what are their struggles, what are things that they end up needing, and then we co-create some parts of the design along with what participants need and what their needs are. The other thing that we also incorporate in our learning design is the role that their managers and HR business partners play, because they play a very active role with respect to that. So these are spaces or processes that we've created in the design to ensure that the learner, the learning need is hyper personalized to learning. So it's a mix of hyper personalization but also broad-based. So it cannot be completely hyper-personalized, then it doesn't lead to, then we have the other issue of learners not participating in the program, it is not leading to a business outcome, etc. So we do a mix of both to ensure that the learners' need of participating in the program, applying those learnings, etc., is going to be a very big part of the deal as well.